How to get fast shipping on AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get fast shipping on AliExpress. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your AliExpress account. Once you're logged into your AliExpress account like I've done here, go ahead and search for the products that you want to get fast shipping for. Now, one thing I want you to notice that the amount of time you would spend waiting for your product depends on the producer or the seller. So the only way you can get fast shipping on AliExpress is by checking through the site and comparing the same product to each other. And note that the faster the shipping, the higher the shipping fee. For example, if I select category of jewelry and wristwatch it, and then we'll select bridal jewelry set, a list of options of bridal jewelry set to be brought to us, and then you can just scroll down to see them properly, then select the one you want. When you select the one you want, you'll be taken to the accounts page. Now on this accounts page, on the product page by the right side, you will see delivery, free delivery, estimated delivery, which is this. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that option, you will see a better view of the delivery. And say estimated delivery on November 28th. This is the first option, and this is the second option. This one is faster. And then if you want a free delivery, a free shipping, you get it in about after 22 days or so. But if you want to get it within 15 days, you would pay this total sum of money to get it. So this for this, if you are fine with this, you can just go ahead and make an order of the product. But then if you are not fine with the shipping rate, just go back to the products now, and select another one that looks like it. Keep on checking until you find the one that has a fast shipping process with an affordable price. So this is how you can get fast shipping on AliExpress. Thanks for watching.